YouTube, what's going on? Andrew Darling here. Guys, I did a sort of day in the life video back in my 1L year. Didn't really get to one last year as a 2L, which I probably should have. But this year I've sort of tethered together a whole bunch of videos, which will start on Tuesday morning. It will take you on my drive down to Miami, all through my internship, through school, take you to Wednesday morning, which is when I wake up, go back to my internship, then school, then I drive home, and it'll take you till I get back home. So keep in mind, this is not an average day in the life video for most people. Cut out the driving time. That's probably a little better idea. Get those hours back in your life. But other than that, like and subscribe below if you haven't already. We'll go ahead and get it going. It's probably going to be a pretty decent length video, but we'll see what happens. Talk to you soon. It's 3:30 in the morning on a Tuesday. I just woke up. Ugh. It's a long couple days. That's a little better, I guess. It's like 3:50 now in the morning. Time to get ready to get on the road. All right, it's almost 4 a.m. I got my clothes situated. I got everything ready for my son. When he gets up at 7:15, he's gonna get a phone call from me, and we'll FaceTime for 20 minutes, however long it takes him to get ready. Just make sure I got everything here. So, about to go get in his car and get on this ride to Miami. Here we go. 4:05, I'm on the road, not even to the highway yet. We'll check back in a couple hours, see how I'm doing. All right, it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. I am currently sitting in traffic. The turnpike's about to turn into 95. Well, it's about to exit onto 95. I got about 30 minutes to get to work. I don't know if I've told anybody, I am interning at the ACLU of Florida this semester as part of my criminal justice policy reform course that I'm doing. Part of the practicum part of it is to actually go out and work. So I'm working at the ACLU this semester. It's been really incredible so far. I've only been there for a couple weeks now, but I wanted to share this with y'all real quick. So most mornings when I come down, I'm either listening to like PDFs of work I'm supposed to read, or listening to podcasts, listening to audiobooks from Audible. This morning, I just decided to have like a 2000s hip hop concert, apparently. I don't know why, but I'm feeling really good this morning. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. I've been driving for about 3 hours. I got about 10, 15 more minutes, and I'm gonna give my son a call where I'll pretty much just put my phone in this one of these mounts I have here in my car and wake him up, get him through his morning so that he can get ready for school and get ready to head to the bus stop. But so this is a disclaimer I really didn't put out there in the short little snippets I've done so far this morning. Yeah, a life of a law school student is crazy. My life is particularly crazy just because of this drive. My whole law school hasn't been like this, as you guys know. Well, my 1L year was pretty interesting, in an hour-and-a-half drive every day. And that was 4 or 5 days a week. And then, but my 2L year, when I came down to Miami and actually lived down here, I mean, I lived 3 miles from school. So last year, my 2L year, life was great. And then when we decided to move back to Central Florida, in the summertime, you know, help our kids out a little bit and make me struggle this year versus them struggling. My grades dipped a little bit last semester, if you guys already saw my grades video, but there's lots of reasons for that. Driving 1,000 miles a week is probably one of those reasons. So I'm sitting here in traffic. I mean, we're barely moving. Otherwise, I clearly wouldn't be talking on this video right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and once I get to work, I'm not really gonna show you guys where I'm at as far as at the ACLU or talk too much about what I'm doing. A lot of that stuff is rather confidential, and it's just, there's no point in me even talking about the stuff really. So I'm enjoying that work. It is fun. And then once I get to school today, I have 2 classes today. I have the seminar portion of the criminal justice policy reform class, and I also have professional responsibility, which is a really good class. Our professor is phenomenal. Both of my classes, my professors are phenomenal. And then I'll go over to my homeboys and stay at his place. Basically sleep on a little $100 IKEA fold-out futon thing. But look, it works. Beggars can't be choosers. He doesn't charge me to stay there, so I appreciate him. Other than that, man, we'll go ahead and keep this day rolling. I'm gonna try to keep this video under like 15-20 minutes because days are long, and this is really like 2 days in the life. So I appreciate it, y'all. I guess just keep watching. What up? It's 1:30 in the afternoon. I'm done with my internship for the day. I've been up 10 hours now, 3:30 in the morning till 1:30 in the afternoon. I'm about to go grab lunch, take my butt to UM, do some last minute prep for one of my classes that I am facilitating in today. So here we go, keep it moving. It's about 5:30, I'm going to my PR class. Finished the criminal justice policy reform class already. It's 5:30, I've been up for 14-ish hours. Should get out of here by about 8 and head to my buddy's house, so we'll see how this goes. It's 8:30, I'm at my buddy's place, crashing for the evening. Apparently he's taking his own suit measurements right now. 8:30, so I've been up, what, 5, 12, 17 hours? That's stupid. I'm gonna go ahead and shower and take my butt to sleep, and I'll be up at 7 o'clock in the morning, get everything rolling, get back to my internship, and then make sure my son's awake before I get back to my internship, do all that stuff. So that's a long day, 17 hours. I probably won't get to sleep till 9:30, 10 o'clock, so 18 and a half hours, nothing too serious, right, I guess. So now I'm gonna get some sleep, hopefully some good sleep tonight. We'll see how long this video lasts. I'm sure it's gonna hit 10 minutes. 7:30 in the morning, been up for like 30 minutes. Man, I went to sleep by 10 o'clock last night, so I had more sleep last night than I get most nights I'm actually home. At my buddy Jonathan's house. Wouldn't be surprised if somebody walks out their apartment. Anyway, so about to go to my internship again. Sorry about the lighting. Kind of craziness, but I'm about to go to my internship again today. I'll spend most of the day there, and then I have class at 3:30, where I'm actually presenting tonight on a case, Smith v. It's a Supreme Court case. It's not versus Louisiana, it's versus, I want to say like the prosecutor. Smith v. somebody, it begins with a C. Kane, maybe? But it's about handing over evidence and whether the failure to hand over that evidence, falling in line with Brady rules, which is an older Supreme Court case, whether that should give the defendant a new trial. So I'm going down all these stairs because the elevator takes forever too. So we're gonna have a great day today. If the audio sucks on this because of the echo, my bad. It's 7:30 in the morning, I gotta call my son back, make sure he's getting ready for school. So here's off to day number 2 in a row. It's 8 a.m., I'm at my internship. About to go get it. It's 2 o'clock, just got back to my car, about to head down to school. I got class at 3:30. Then I also have class at 5:30. Then I get out at 7:20 and I drive back home to Central Florida. So it should be interesting. Yeah, I just saw the funniest meme. I have to post it up while I'm making this conversation. Here, let me leave some space for it over here in this general area. It's a raptor and a T-Rex talking, and it's just hilarious. I was laughing for a good 15-20 seconds before making this video, so you should enjoy it. But I'm gonna go grab something to eat, head to class. Criminal prosecution and defense lawyering, followed by Florida topics of the bar exam. I'm gonna take care of that and get on this road back to Central Florida. So we'll see you soon. So this video is going to conveniently end where it started. 46 hours ago? 45 hours ago, something like that. So it's just about 1 a.m. now on Thursday morning. 2 p.m. on Wednesday afternoon was the last video before this. I said I had to go to class. I went to class at 3:30. I went to class at 5:30. I got out of class at 7:20. Got on the road about 7:45. Made it home at like 11:20, 11:30, something like that. just got everything brought in the house, talked to my folks for a little bit, gave my kids a kiss, took a shower, about that time now. So that's a couple days for me. Y'all keep in mind, I know I'm gonna say this at the beginning of the video too, my life is not typical of a law school. It's a day in my life as a law school student. You take out the driving, you might have a regular day in the life. So I don't know, but I'm going to bed. I got to be up in 6 hours to make sure my 7-year-old gets up. So I appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. If you haven't already, like and subscribe below. This is a pretty decent effort for me to put in to do these little videos every now and then. And you guys see I forgot some after class and going to the car and whatnot. But that's all right. So thank you so much again. I appreciate it. Take care. Talk to you soon. Peace.